The Pioneer TSA-4670F and TSA-462F are both 4x6-inch speaker packages from Pioneer. The TSA-4670F is a 4-way design, and the TSA-462F is a 3-way design. The speakers are designed to be used in a behind-the-factory grille location in the dash or rear deck or door. The wires included with each speaker package are designed to fit perfectly with positive and negative terminals on each speaker and must be extended to reach the in-dash receiver or amplifier of the vehicle. Mounting hardware is included in each speaker package. Included in both of the packages are two 4x6 mounting plates. The mounting plates ensure an easy fit for applicable vehicles. The Pioneer TSA-4670F features a 4x6 carbon and mica reinforced injection molded polypropylene woofer cone. The woofer cone is very rigid, yet also very light, so the amplifier can control the motion of the woofer cone for great power handling and excellent sound quality. This is the Pioneer TSA-4670F speaker package. The package includes a pair of 4-way 4x6-inch coaxial speakers. The woofer is 4x6 inches. The mid-range is 1 5/8. The tweeter and super tweeter are both 3/8 of an inch. Frequency response is from 35 Hz to 42,000 Hz. Maximum power handling capability is 210 watts, and nominal power handling is 30 watts. The Pioneer TSA-462F features a 4x6 carbon and mica reinforced injection molded woofer cone in the unique moonstone color. The woofer cone is very rigid, yet also very light, so the amplifier can control the motion of the woofer cone for great power handling and excellent sound quality. This is the Pioneer TSA-462F speaker package. The package includes a pair of 3-way 4x6-inch coaxial speakers. The woofer is 4x6 inches in the unique moonstone color. The mid-range is 1 5/8. The tweeter is 3/8 of an inch. Frequency response for the speaker package is from 35 Hz to 42,000 Hz. And maximum power handling capability is 210 watts. Nominal power handling is 30 watts.
Hey, this is Shane with Skar Audio. We're going to be doing some demo videos today on our SK46. So the SK46 is our 4x6 2-way coaxial driver. It's 30 watts each driver RMS, 60 watts each driver peak, and then for the pair it'd be 60 RMS and then 120. So what we're going to do now is get them wired up to the amplifier and play some music for you. Okay, so we have our SK46s wired up to our RP75.4 AB amp. They're wired up to channels 1 and 2 at 4 ohm. We also gain match it, so it's roughly getting the RMS power between 30 and 35 watts a driver. And we're going to go ahead and play some music for you guys. Take a listen. Hey everybody, this is Shane with Skar Audio. Today we're going to be doing a demo on our RPX46. This is a 4x6 2-way coaxial. Each one is at 45 watts RMS, so 90 watts for the pair. and we're going to go ahead and get this wired up so you guys can take a listen to it. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to let you know we're using a Skar Audio SKM404D. Ran at 4 ohm, only using the 2 channels in the front. The other 2 channels we're not using right now. And we're just going to let it play now and let you see how loud it gets.
Reaching out, I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now.